And today I'm going to show you how you translate PDF files using GT40 and Trados. And you can actually just drag your PDF file, drop into File Translator, and then it will get translated straightforwardly. But if the PDF file contains a lot of graphs and pictures and formulas, and you want to keep a better control of the details of which part to translate and which part not to be translated, you might need Trados. You might need Trados. So the basic idea is that you first import the sample PDF file, the file we need to translate, into Trados and build a new Trados project, and then use File Translator to translate the Trados project, and then export the translated file we need from Trados. So these are the 3 steps. So for the first step, we need to import the PDF file we want to translate into Trados. So we don't need GT4T for the first step. Now we turn. This is a Trados. It's a very complicated translation management product, but we only need the very, very basic feature of it. So don't be intimidated by those buttons. I don't even know what they are for. Now, the first step is we need to go to the top left corner for the file drop-down menu. Now here's the file drop-down menu, and you click, and then you go new, and then you click new local project. So you're going to create a new local project, and this is the create new project dialog. It looks really complicated, but we only need to do 2 things. Just ignore the rest. Now you see the 9 steps. No, we don't need those 9 steps. And first you need to set the language pair. This is important. Now we are supposed to translate this file from English into, for example, Spanish. Now we type Spanish at the Spanish, right? Spanish and then you select Spanish here, and then you need to go to the project files pane and click the button at the top left. It says add files. Right, you add files, and then you browse to find the sample PDF file we are to translate. Now you click, and the file is imported. It appears in the file list. And now you just need to click finish because we don't need the rest steps. And after you click finish, the project is created, and we double click this project 24, and then it contains 1 file, and this file is converted from the sample PDF file, and we double click to open it, and this is the main editor of Trados. And on the left you see the English text. On the right you're supposed to type your translation, the Spanish translation here. But we are not going to type anything because this is going to be translated by to be filled by GT40. Now we need to close the editor. You need to close it because I'll explain later. And now then go to GT40. At GT40, this is the basic interface, and you need to click Show CAT buttons, and then you'll find the Trados button, and then you'll find a list of projects. And on my computer, there are many Trados projects, and the most recent project is the one that is already automatically selected. And then you click Locate, and it will locate the sample PDF file. A warning though, you need to set the language pair in file translator, in GT4 translator from English to Spanish too. The same, it has to be the same with the Trados settings of the language pair because uh, so that the translator can locate the file properly. Now you click yes, and the Trados project is now being translated. Now we'll wait just for a few seconds for it to finish. Okay, now we don't need GT40 anymore. Now the sample PDF file, the Trados project is actually already translated. Uh, we closed the editor just now. We closed the editor screen just now because the editor screen does not auto refresh. So even though the file is translated, it doesn't appear. So that's why I need to close and open it. And then now you see the left columns is filled with translations. And you can make some editing here, or you do not have to. And then we go to the last step. The last step is to export the file we need, to export the translated file that we actually need. Now, again, we go to the File drop down to the top left. Yeah, here it is. And then we click Save Target As. Save Target As. Okay, now here it's sample.cdox. We might need to save it to the desktop for easier manipulation, and then we may need to change the name here. It means Spanish, yes, and then we click save. Now I'm sorry, this is a Chinese. Save. Now it's done.